In the world of tactical survival gear, innovation and durability reign supreme. From rugged boots and multi-tools to advanced exoskeletons and precision-engineered knives, these products are designed to meet the demands of the most extreme environments. Whether you're navigating the wilderness, preparing for emergencies, or pursuing outdoor adventures, having the right gear can make all the difference. Each piece blends functionality, toughness, and cutting-edge design to keep you equipped and ready for any challenge. Dive into these reviews to discover the ultimate tools for survival and adventure. 1. WIDEWAY Combat Boots. The WIDEWAY men's military combat boots are the ultimate companions for rugged adventures and demanding tasks. Built with durability in mind, these boots feature a high-strength leather and fabric combination that ensures protection and breathability. The anti-slip outsole provides exceptional grip on uneven terrains, whether you're trekking through muddy trails or scaling rocky inclines. With reinforced toe caps and ankle support, these boots are designed to withstand the harshest environments while keeping your feet secure and comfortable. What truly sets the WIDEWAY combat boots apart is their balance of function and comfort. Despite their rugged exterior, they boast a cushioned insole and moisture-wicking lining, ensuring your feet stay dry and fatigue-free even during extended wear. Whether you're on a tactical mission, hunting, or simply exploring the wilderness, these boots deliver reliable performance without compromising on style or comfort. The Savotta Keikka bag lives up to its tagline, made to endure, by offering unparalleled toughness and versatility. This rugged tactical bag is crafted with military-grade materials that resist wear, tear, and the elements. Featuring multiple compartments and modular attachment points, it's the perfect solution for organizing your survival gear, tools, and personal items. The heavy-duty zippers and reinforced stitching add to its long-lasting reliability, making it a must-have for demanding environments. What makes the Savotta Keikka stand out is its versatility for both professional and casual use. Its padded shoulder strap and ergonomic handle make carrying even heavy loads a breeze. Whether you're deploying for a tactical mission, setting up a base camp, or just need a dependable gear hauler for a weekend adventure, this bag won't let you down. Its sleek, no-nonsense design also transitions effortlessly between rugged outdoor expeditions and urban commutes. The ExoM Up-Armoured Exoskeleton redefines personal defense and mobility in survival scenarios. Engineered for peak performance, this innovative gear offers lightweight armor paired with enhanced mobility features. The advanced composite materials ensure that the exoskeleton provides robust protection without adding excessive weight, allowing for agility in high-stress situations. Integrated attachment points make it compatible with additional tactical gear, giving you a customizable setup tailored to your needs. What's truly impressive about the ExoM is how it integrates seamlessly with natural movements. Unlike traditional body armor, this exoskeleton adapts to your biomechanics, reducing fatigue and maximizing efficiency. Whether you're navigating rugged terrain, bracing for combat, or carrying heavy equipment, the ExoM keeps you protected while enhancing your performance. It's an essential tool for modern-day survivalists who demand safety without sacrificing mobility. The Streamlight ProTac Rail Mount HLX Pro is a tactical flashlight that doesn't just illuminate, it dominates. Delivering a powerful 1,000 lumen beam, it cuts through the darkest nights and dense fog with ease, making it indispensable for search and rescue missions, patrols, or nighttime adventures. Designed to mount seamlessly on rail systems, this flashlight is both compact and rugged, featuring an anodized aluminum body that can withstand heavy recoil and tough environments. What elevates the ProTac HLX Pro above the competition is its dual fuel capability and versatile settings. Use either a rechargeable battery or CR123A cells, ensuring you're never left in the dark. The multifunction tail switch allows for instant strobe, high beam, or low light modes, adapting to any situation in a flash. Whether you're gearing up for tactical operations or securing your campsite, this flashlight is a powerful ally that delivers reliable illumination every time. Magpul DAKA soft cases. The Magpul DAKA soft cases are the epitome of rugged and reliable storage for your most valued gear. Made from durable polymer-infused textiles with welded construction, these cases are built to resist abrasion, water, and the roughest environments. Perfect for protecting firearms, tools, or sensitive electronics, the soft cases come with reinforced zippers and internal organization to keep everything secure and easily accessible. Whether you're on a hunting trip, at the range, or heading into the wild, these cases deliver unmatched protection and convenience. What sets the DAKA soft cases apart is their versatility and lightweight design. The low-profile aesthetic means they're equally suited for urban transport as they are for tactical missions. Their weather-resistant construction ensures your gear stays safe, even in adverse conditions, while the compact form factor makes them easy to carry or pack. For anyone who demands durability and style in their protective gear, the DAKA soft cases are a must-have. The CRKT Freyr axe, designed by Elmer Roush, is a tactical marvel that combines traditional Viking-inspired aesthetics with modern functionality. Forged with a 1055 carbon steel head and a bearded blade, this axe is perfect for chopping, splitting, or clearing obstacles in the wilderness. The Tennessee hickory handle not only adds rustic charm, but also provides a firm grip and exceptional durability, making it a reliable tool for survivalists and outdoorsmen alike. The Freyr axe isn't just about brute strength, it's a balanced tool that ensures precision with every swing. Its ergonomic design minimizes fatigue during extended use, while the robust steel holds its edge even under heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're building a shelter, gathering firewood, or defending against wild threats, this axe delivers power and dependability with a touch of timeless craftsmanship. The Combat Troodon knife is a masterpiece of precision engineering and tactical design. Known for its ultra-reliable dual-action out-the-front mechanism, this knife deploys with lightning speed and secures firmly, ready to handle any task. Crafted with premium steel and a robust aluminum handle, it's designed to cut, slice, and pierce through the toughest materials with ease. Compact yet incredibly powerful, the Combat Troodon is the perfect addition to any tactical or everyday carry setup. What makes the Combat Troodon stand out is its versatility. Its aggressive blade shape and durable edge retention make it ideal for survival scenarios, while the ergonomic grip ensures complete control even in high-stress situations. Whether you're cutting rope, preparing food, or defending yourself, this knife combines precision and strength in a sleek, portable package. The Trailside Tea with Ti-Line MFSS elevates outdoor hydration to a luxurious experience with its multifunctional stove system. Designed for lightweight backpacking and survival, this titanium setup includes an integrated pot, stove, and lid that work together to boil water efficiently and evenly. Compact and easy to use, it's perfect for brewing tea, cooking meals, or sterilizing water in the wild. Its durable titanium construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures without adding unnecessary weight. What sets the Ti-Line MFSS apart is its thoughtful design for both efficiency and pleasure. The system not only heats quickly, but also retains warmth, making it ideal for a comforting cup of tea after a long day on the trail. Its portability and reliability make it an indispensable part of any camping or survival kit, ensuring you're always equipped for nourishment and relaxation in the great outdoors. The Micro Evergreen Waterproof Case W is the perfect safeguard for your small but essential gear. Built with an ultra-durable, impact-resistant exterior and a watertight seal, this case is ideal for protecting valuables like electronics, tools, or documents from water, dust, and drops. The lightweight design and compact form factor make it an easy addition to any backpack or tactical kit, ensuring your items stay secure in the most challenging environments. What makes the Micro Evergreen case stand out is its practicality. The interior features customizable foam inserts to snugly hold your gear, preventing movement during travel. Whether you're rafting, camping, or on a tactical mission, this case offers unmatched protection for peace of mind. It's the ultimate blend of portability, durability, and reliability, perfect for those who refuse to compromise on safety. MUDMAN CASIO G-Shock. The MUDMAN CASIO G-Shock GW9500 is a robust timepiece built for extreme conditions. This solar-powered watch features a shock-resistant structure and mud-resistant casing, making it ideal for outdoor adventurers and survivalists. The GW9500 offers advanced functionality with altimeter, barometer, and compass features, ensuring you're always equipped with vital information no matter where you are. The solar charging technology ensures reliability, so you never have to worry about replacing batteries. What sets the MUDMAN apart is its ability to combine toughness with intelligent design. The sleek, rugged aesthetic complements its practical features, while the comfortable strap ensures all-day wearability. Whether you're scaling mountains, trekking through dense forests, or on a rescue mission, the GW9500 is more than a watch. It's a trusted tool that keeps you connected to the environment and on top of your game. The Vantage Robotics Trace is a cutting-edge drone designed for tactical surveillance and outdoor exploration. Lightweight and foldable, this drone is easy to transport and deploy in the field. Equipped with advanced stabilization and a high-resolution camera, Trace captures crystal-clear images and videos, making it ideal for scouting terrain, monitoring wildlife, or conducting tactical reconnaissance. The robust construction ensures it can withstand wind, rain, and other challenging conditions. What makes Trace exceptional is its smart navigation system, which allows for autonomous flight and precise control. With extended battery life and real-time video streaming, it's an indispensable tool for those who need eyes in the sky. Whether you're tracking a trail, planning a route, or keeping a perimeter secure, the Vantage Robotics Trace offers unparalleled situational awareness with cutting-edge technology. The WolkeTour Titanium Canteen Military Mess Kit is a survivalist's dream, combining practicality, durability, and lightweight design. Crafted from high-grade titanium, this mess kit is both corrosion-resistant and ultra-light, making it perfect for extended outdoor adventures. The kit includes a canteen, pot, and lid that nest together seamlessly, optimizing space in your gear. Whether you're boiling water, cooking meals, or simply staying hydrated, this mess kit is a reliable companion. What sets the WolkeTour mess kit apart is its multifunctionality. The canteen doubles as a water carrier and boiling vessel, while the pot serves as both cookware and storage. The titanium construction ensures heat retention and fast cooling, allowing for efficient meal prep and handling. Perfect for military missions or camping trips, this mess kit embodies rugged elegance and practicality for life on the go. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and survival tips. Stay prepared, stay adventurous, and we'll see you in the next one.